It's Earthship time. Earthship. Weird looking houses, lots of windows, hardly any utilities. Earthship.
This is because of our friend Gary, who you may have seen in one of our videos. We're labeling his wine. I'll link to that above. He got us interested in Earthships, that he and his wife stayed at this Earthship community we're gonna go to outside of Taos a little while ago. And he said if we get a chance, go there, see if we can get a tour. We're very lucky. There is a tour going on. Normally you have to book 2 weeks in advance because you're actually going into people's homes, but there's one going on today. And we get to join in, so we'll take you along.
You should have told them that we just dropped the name of our YouTube channel and they let us in because we're so
That's
oh,
not
it's
true.
on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that's so
That's not true. They don't even know we have a YouTube channel. We see Earthships. Look at all the airships.
Years, there have been ancient cultures that were able to survive and thrive without the need of modern amenities, air conditioning, heating appliances. But living in an airship, I was able to really see how the sun recedes and rises and lowers in the sky as the years progress. I just watched the sun rise and lower every year. It's a lot of fun. New airships are coming out with garages and storage kind of buildings where you can store these batteries and still have space in your home for them.
We just finished the first part of our tour, which was a big description and
Learn
talk.
everything. Yes.
Yeah, you pretty much learn all the basics in the visitor center so that you know what you're gonna go see. And now we're all in our separate cars and we're gonna line up and head into the actual Earthship community to go check out some actual homes. Pretty awesome.
Yes.
You said it was really interesting, right?
It was very interesting. With all the solar and rainwater and
Food.
the rain capture, yeah.
The rain capture is amazing.
We don't do that, but
I wish, but yeah.
at least we have the solar setup, which is super convenient.
Yes, very cool.
If you weren't flushing your toilet enough, you had a buildup of stagnant water in your planter bed, which is not good for the plants, and over time would produce a smell, which is never that nice. And so
Look at all that. That is a lot of growth. Hi, chickens.
So, this is a very dried out dead version, but
I like the rainbows. Look up. That was awesome.
That was really cool. Really, really cool.
Really interesting concept. The homes are self-sufficient. It's like take us in our RV, but like multiply that because you have your own water catchment and grow food, and it's just crazy.
Everything is recycled from the shower water. I mean, it just goes through your plant system, and everything just is you get it from natural sources, and then you reuse it 2, 3, 4 times over sometimes.
Yeah.
And
there's always an end result too. It's just really cool. Wish there were more of them, but we were hearing a little bit about how it's just very difficult to build these, obviously near cities, but even some states
with building codes and all
have
that good stuff.
completely outlawed living off grid, and you don't have to be connected to a grid in these houses, which is the whole point.
Utility companies are powerful influences.
Yes, they are. So anyway, if you are in the Taos area and want to see a really, really cool community building practice, I don't know, come to Earthship Biotecture. You can at least do the self-guided tour in the visitor center, but if you call ahead, they do community guided tours, $18 a person I think it was, but for that opportunity I think it was totally worth the money.
It was worth $18 a person.
Yeah,
and if you're a senior, I think it was 15.
Yeah, something like that. There are discounts.
I overheard that. So, or if you're military or a teacher, you get discounts too.
Exactly. So, awesome.
There you go.
Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.